Hi, thanks for joining me in another video. Every year I give an update on how both of these Model 3s are doing. The goal of these long-term video series is to track maintenance and costs of owning an EV. It's time for another round, and now we're looking at the time frame from September 2021 to September 2022. This marks 4 years of ownership for the long range and 3.5 years ownership for the Standard Range Plus. Make sure to check out my previous short videos on these vehicles to see what other service items have been needed in the past. Here I have the 2018 Tesla Model 3 dual motor and my 2019 Model 3 Standard Range Plus. Let's start off with the 2018 Model 3. This car rolled off the factory floor on September 27, 2018 at 10 a.m., so it's just shy of 4 years old. It currently has 97,000 miles, and this car is no longer covered under the bumper-to-bumper warranty. The car does still have the battery and powertrain warranty until it hits 120,000 miles. The tires were rotated every 6,000 to 7,000 miles, which was done at a local tire shop for $0. Not long after last year's update, it was due for a set of tires. The OEM Michelin Primacy MX M4 tires were not available at the time, so the owner picked up a set of 4 Continentals. The specific tires purchased were Continental Extreme Contact DWS06 Plus, and they cost $209 each. And that is it for the 2018 Model 3 as far as maintenance and care. The single cost for the year was $944 even. This car is due for a cabin air filter change, which is easy enough to do at home, and you can look forward to seeing that on next year's maintenance video. Unrelated to car care, the updated aero wheel caps were purchased for these wheels. Those were $25 each. Unfortunately, one of them kept popping off a little on the corner, so we decided to ditch those and put the older ones back on. Moving on to my 2019 Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus. This car currently has 44,000 miles. However, I'm still covered under the bumper-to-bumper warranty as well as the battery and powertrain warranty. The bumper-to-bumper warranty expires once it passes 50,000 miles, so there isn't too much left on that one. Not much to say on this car other than that it received tire rotations for free from the local tire shop every 6,000 to 7,000 miles as well. It did have 2 tires replaced under warranty, one for a defect and the other due to an unrepairable nail. Luckily, neither tire had an out-of-pocket cost. The original 2 tires are coming due, so I'll check in next year on how much those cost. I haven't even needed to refill my windshield wiper fluid either. And that's it for maintenance on my car. Total cost in the past year was $0. I did opt to have the HomeLink automatic garage door opener added to the car. If you don't already have HomeLink in your Model 3 or Y, to upgrade you need to purchase the HomeLink parts online at Tesla.com, which are priced at $350. These parts are sent to your address and you must make a service appointment online for them to install it for you. Tesla Mobile Service came to my house and installed it in about 30 minutes. For those who have been watching my videos, you may remember the Model Y that I reviewed earlier this year. The owner of the car reported that in their first 7 months of ownership, they have not needed any maintenance other than tire rotations and have about 13,000 miles on it. We will check in every year with him to see their updates on their Model Y. That was all the maintenance. Short and sweet, right? The shorter those sections are, the better. Now, since the goal of videos are to keep track of maintenance and costs of owning an EV, it would be fitting to add cost of charging for the entire year at home. The Tesla app does give you an estimate of how much you charged and spent, but only over the last 31 days. For charging at home, we will have to estimate as close as possible on how much was spent. I can attempt to do that with my 2019 Standard Range Plus. I'm currently on the Smart Charge program, which sends over data for long-term research on EVs. This keeps a log of how much I've charged among other information. I'm going to have to factor in the cost changes for the different seasons and peak hours. So here is a rough estimate. Since we are still in September, I'm calculating September 2021 to August 2022. These are the rates for my local utility company. In this time period, I drove a total of 12,633 miles. In this time, I charged a total of 2,840.4 kilowatt hours, which translates to $283.72. Not bad. For a list of recommended maintenance, refer to the Tesla manual or the website at tesla.com/ownersmanual. New Teslas come with the 4-year 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. The battery and powertrain warranty varies by vehicle. Long-range S and X cars get 8 years or 150,000 miles. Long-range 3 and Y cars receive 8 years or 120,000 miles. And Model 3 rear-wheel drive cars get 8 years or 100,000 miles. As long as I own these vehicles, I will continue to make yearly updates. Make sure to check in next September. Thanks for spending time with me today. Have an EV I can review? Email me at info@kaizv.com. Make sure to subscribe for more EV content and follow me on social media at Kai'sEV and Kai's Tesla. Kai's my dog. And check out my website for more EV resources at kaizv.com. That's all for now, and happy charging.